Very dark brown. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam, and today we're going to be doing this super snatched, super glamorous smoky liner look. This is one of my favorite looks I've been wearing, and it's super simple to do. You definitely do need a couple of different colors, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Don't forget, while you're here, to go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. You guys, I definitely have some color. We just got back from vacation and it was so nice. We definitely needed a little bit of a getaway. When you stayed home most of the year, you kind of get antsy, and yeah, so if you are going to travel, all I suggest is for you to be very aware, be very careful, do everything possible to kind of just not be a hazard to anyone else or yourself. I'm so proud to say that I did my own hair. It's just so simple, and I feel like it's growing so fast. Every time my friend cuts my hair, it literally grows like that. You know how you look for those hands? She has those hands. So we're gonna go right into primer, and for primer today I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics X Jady Weighty primer. It is the Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer. It looks like that. This has a strong scent. That's the only thing that kind of bothers me about it. I'm just going to go ahead and do my foundation, brows, contour, and we're just going to fly through it to get right into the eyes. So I'm just taking these two browns, and those are the ones I'm using all over the lid. I'm taking this brown from the Natasha Denona palette. It's like a peachy brown, and this bottom brown, I have been loving that shade all over my lid. I'm like trying to film some TikToks at the same time. So I'm picking up just like one of these short brushes, and it is stained with like a yellow, I don't even know what. So I'm going in with this one from the Natasha Denona Peak palette. So it's this brown, like a medium brown. Kind of do a wing with the eyeshadow. So I'm just tapping it along the line, my lash line, picking up a little bit of product at a time, creating basically a wing line with the eyeshadow and kind of mapping it out that way. And I do notice that when I use a small, it always kind of helps me focus on that area. So I would just build that up slowly. So I don't put it all the way into like the inner tear duct. I kind of keep it out here a little bit. Like I started right here. Okay, it can totally be messy. This is only like the blueprint. I'm gonna intensify that. So I'm gonna be using this color right here, and this is from the Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette, and it's a little bit of a brick red. It reminds me of MAC's Brown Script, which is one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. With this, I'm gonna go a little bit past the first line that I made. So every time I'm just kind of intensifying the line and making it bigger. See? So another little thing that I do is I go and I pick up a blending fluffy brush, and I'm using the Sigma E25, and I'm taking whatever I did and kind of blending, but not completely, like blending the wing that we're creating with these eyeshadows, just to soften it up a bit more. Because I have hooded eyes, I like to make my wing higher than where like the hood of the eye would be. So I kind of put it all the way up here just so it can show when I'm looking straight forward. And the way I do that is just kind of having my eyes straight forward and like this. Not lifting your brow, just kind of control your brow and relax it and see where the line would show. Yours could be a little lower, maybe even higher, who knows. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a very light tan, and I'm picking up this reddish, more on the red side than the brown side, but I think it would look good. I've never tried it with that color. Right here. And doing the same thing, kind of flicking it up. The colors will get darker at the base of this wing. So I'm gonna intensify that, and the last two colors I'm using is this really, really dark brown from the Warm Up Sessions palette, and then I'm using Carbon from MAC, which is this really dark black. To me, it's the darkest black I've ever used. And yeah, we're just gonna blend, smoke it out. So every time I feel like it's looking too harsh, I go in with a little fluffy brush and blend that up. So, see how much the black intensifies this look? It's crazy. I popped on these contacts too, so definitely. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the House of Lashes Iconic Light Lashes. And I'm applying them the way I like to apply my lashes, which is on the actual liner set up on my eye. I'm gonna try to show you guys how to do that. Apply the lash glue on it. This is the duo. So I wait about 30 seconds. Then I go from like the middle, start from the center, so I can figure out how high I want it to look. Just top this nude lip with some lip gloss. And put some cute little earrings. Check out the top. I'm gonna do a video one day on like how I get this chest glow. I just need to be comfortable, you know, to do that, you know. So that wraps up today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next. Until next time.